Hey, what's up guys? Today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Snapchat showing support cord error. So this could be a technical issue. What you have to do is, if you have been using Snapchat application, you're going to have to simply update your app first, head over to your Play Store and then search for Snapchat. At times, a simple updation of your application could fix the problem. So if you see update like mine, tap on update and it update your app. The next thing you could try is opening your web browser and typing Snapchat login. You will get to this page where you will see Snapchat login. So tap onto it and get logged into your account via a web browser. Make sure that you remember your credentials and simply type in your credentials and get logged into your account. Now, if this is not working, you can also try Incognito tab. So launch your Incognito tab or launch your browser, and from there, simply type in Instagram login and get logged into your account from that section itself. Now, you're going to have to restart your device after everything that you have tried and then simply launch your Instagram again and it will definitely fix the problem. If it's still not working, then just wait for a couple hours. Maybe try a different browser and it will work. Thank you for watching.